Stop by and take a look at the 2013 Lincoln MKX. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, 4-wheel independent suspension, tire pressure monitoring system, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find remote start, cruise control, electrochromic rear view mirror, rear cargo lamp, universal garage door opener. The Lincoln MKX offers performance and a distinctly powerful ride that's ahead of the curve. Boasting excellent launch and acceleration with a powerful engine that delivers plenty of horsepower, the Lincoln MKX is truly empowered for action. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.